Does your hot tub have 3 flashing dots on the top side? If so, keep watching. If your hot tub has 3 dots blinking on the top side just under the temperature, it means your heater isn't working. There are a few reasons why you get this error code on your hot tub. I'm going to show you what to do and how to test to determine the cause. Step 1, remove the filters. We got enough water. It's going to be a flow issue, the 3 flashing lights or a sensor or something. So it looks like it's high enough, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to pull the filters and see if that goes away. You might have a different setup, but the filters are in there. First, turn off the breaker. If you can, pop this weir off, this flap. This one's easy. Basket. Should be 2 little filters. There's one. There's 2. And check to see if there's anything, if you can get your hand in there. If you don't find any obstructions to the flow, then turn the breaker back on. If you still get the 3 dots flashing on the top side, then follow the next steps. Step 2, take the side panel off where the keypad is. Make sure that the pump that's pushing the water through the heat tube is on and running, and it's pushing out all the jets as normal. If the pump's running good and running out all the jets fine, then follow the next steps. Step 3, take the front door off the spa pack. So normally if you get the 3 flashing lights, 1, pull the filter, 2, if you can see that the jets are moving like fine, then that's probably not it. Check to see if your knife valves are half shut. Sometimes those fall down. Check both sides. Check those. Pressure switch, you can adjust that. I have another video on that. Yeah, I'll link it right above here. But because see a light. Where's the light? There's the light. There's the light. So if you have 3 dots plus that light right there on the circuit board, it's going to be the high limit. Now, if we have the 3 dots and no light, then it's probably going to be the pressure switch. But you can test that. You can jump it. You can turn it counterclockwise, see if the relay clicks in. We have other videos on that. Well, I'll link everything down below. So right now, because it's the lights there, plus 3 flashing dots on the top side, I'm going to change the high limit right there. So first thing we got to do is we got to turn the power off. You have to check to see if you can change this anyway. There's some spas that it's soldered right on the circuit board, so you can't change the high limit, especially with the S-Class Gecko. So this one here, it clicks in. See? There's a slot right there. We got that out. So you need to put the new one in. Now, if you're looking for all the information on this, it's right on there. Right there. That's only if you can change that. So if your high limit is soldered right to it and you can't unplug it like that, if it's soldered right to it, you're going to have to replace the board. So we got our high limit changed. Let's turn the power back on. Light is gone, and our 3 flashing lights, 3 flash lights are all gone. Thanks for watching, and if you have any comments, just comment down below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already.